Whenever a hurricane or tropical storm is heading towards Jamaica, you can always feel the excitement building, and not the good kind. The supermarkets suddenly turn into a battlefield. The moment the news says storm approaching, people rush to buy every loaf of bread in sight. The shelves that were full this morning are now completely empty, and good luck finding tin mackerel or sardines. Those disappear first. Someone always grabs 10 loaves of bread like they're feeding the entire community, and there's always that one person walking around the store asking, "You see any batteries left?" Hardware stores are packed, too. Everyone's buying candles, flashlights, and buckets. By the time you get there, only the broken flashlights are left. Then the lines at gas stations are a whole new story. Cars wrapped around the corner, everyone filling up, while one man tries to buy gas for a generator he hasn't used in years. On social media, it's pure chaos. One group saying, "It's going to miss us," another saying, "No, this one's serious." And right in the middle, you have the jokers making memes before the rain even starts falling. When the first drops of rain finally come, that's when everyone remembers. The roof has a leak, the back door won't close properly, and the Wi-Fi starts acting up before the wind even reaches the island. But no matter what happens, Jamaicans find a way to make it funny. Even when the power and water go out, someone is still online with mobile data saying, "Who else still has light?" It's chaos, it's comedy, and it's pure Jamaican energy. How we prepare, how we worry, and how we still find laughter even when the storm is near.